control of my TV Vizio, and I can use it with my okay, this is the control of oh my god, that's crazy. This is the control of my life, my new life. So, but the happen is I can't control with my TV control too. So I don't know why. I don't have idea why I can control with my TV Vizio control. So please tell me, what is the system of the control?
I definitely would not recommend this fan. It looks very pretty. You know, it's cute. The light, that's as bright as it goes. Now my room, do a quick span. My room's like 12 by 9. It's not a very big room, and with 9-foot ceilings. And it's, you could tell really the only light I have in this room is coming from the window. Like it's barely lit, and that's at the brightest setting that I can possibly go to. Listen to how loud the fan is on the lowest setting. Now this is the middle setting. And this is the highest. So that is really, really loud. And this is my home office where I'm talking to customers and I can't even have the fan on. And with these big windows, the sun comes in all day long and I'm just dying out here. So you can change the different types of light you want, but again, I don't know, maybe this would be cute for a kid's room or something. I don't know what to do with it. It's already installed. I obviously can't return it, but it's definitely not, it does nothing, really. It does nothing as far as a light, and the fan barely blows on you. So this is also my workout room when I'm not actually working at my desk, and I can't even use it for that because I'll just sweat to death. So I wouldn't recommend this if you're looking for something cute as decoration and you don't actually need it as a fan and you just want mood lighting, then I guess get it. But if you are looking for something to actually illuminate your room, I would do a hard pass.